Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Are you Kukudoba? Huh? How do I... Wait, what? What do I do with you? Huh? Is that a shrine of some sort? Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Kukudoba. Yes. Thank you. What? What? Oh. Okay. Thank god. Interesting. This is what I can see around this area. Oh, wait a second. I'm guessing these are all saber slimes mixed with all the different kinds of slimes. So this is like the prehistoric era. Oh wow. This is Kukudoba heaven. Kukudoba? I found two in one area. Nice. But yeah, I think these are all saber slimes mixed with the thing. Oh, that makes me scary now. Oh god. Jesus. That was scary. It just came up to me and whispered, hey. Okay. It's a carrot. Don't need that. Can I feed you hens? I did feed you hen. Oh. Did I take you? Did I take Kukudoba? Please just tell me I took a Kukudoba because I don't want to be here anymore. Jeez, I'm finding a lot of Kukudoba somehow. How am I finding so many? I thought they're pretty rare. Also, I feel bad for bursting into this area and just like taking all their stuff. What is this? Oh no, I don't want to look at what the prehistoric towers are like. Well then, I'm here. Where is here? It's the same place, yeah, the same place. Kukudoba, thank you. You know what? I'm gonna give myself a challenge. I'm gonna try to get all the Kukudoba everywhere in this place. Basically get so that I don't have to ever come back here. I just siphon all the Kukudoba fruits from here. I don't have anything to deal with you. I can just do this. That didn't do anything. Thank you. No, please. What is this? Oh, it's just heartbeats. So there was something special. So this seems to be a random point in time that it put me in. Because it shows me on the map that is in like the main part of my ranch. But it's not. Oh god. No, these are saber hunter slimes or something. Okay, Kukudoba, please come with me. Okay. Feral slimes are scary. Oh my god. This is a whole new experience to this game. You're trying to survive and you're trying to collect Kukudoba. Okay, there's a teleporter there. Don't know if I trust it though. It could teleport me to a random point in time. Again, what are you? Yeah, I don't feed you that. That's for sure. I don't feed you the flowers. What do you want? No, Kukudoba. Oh, yes, Kukudoba. Yes, Kukudoba. Yes, Kukudoba. Wait, can I see something else? Nope. What is that? Oh, it's a rotten Kukudoba. That's valuable. I mean, the Kukudoba is valuable, not the rotten one. The rotten one isn't. Apparently. I don't know how they even taste, honestly. I'm gonna siphon your Kukudubas. Oh yeah. These are definitely producing. Okay then. Okay. These are definitely hunter slimes, as I checked. I'm not gonna go through that yet. I'm gonna get as many as I can before I go. Okay. I literally have nothing to deal with you. What's up with this waterfall? There's just this waterfall here. Location is unknown, by the way, I just checked. So, I'm in an unknown place. Completely on my own. No one to help me. Here. Just on my own. Okay. Kukuduba. Is Kukuduba like the original fruit, the OG fruit? Like in the prehistoric times, it used to be Kukuduba, and then like, you know how genetics happen, genetic variation and stuff. They just started creating more types of fruit and vegetables actually. Because like it seems like that's what happened in the lore of this game. What is this? Oh, that's a radioactive slime. I don't want to see the recent version of it, like the newest one, like the modern radioactive slime. Kukudoba, can I get you? Yes, I can get you. And I got a hunter slime, I think. Yep. Okay, hunters. Thank you for the Kukudoba. I won't disturb you anymore. So my map is definitely not able to track where I am at. So I hope I'm not getting lost. Huh? How did they just die? The tower just died. From what? Oh yes. Another. And two more. Nice. This is the place that I came. Yeah, I came from here. And there's the Kukudoba here. I have 21.